love to play outside. I love to play outside. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Cats make great pets. Cats make great pets. The sun is shining brightly today. The sun is shining brightly today. I have a red bicycle. I have a red bicycle. Birds sing in the morning. Birds sing in the morning. I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza. My best friend's name Rishat. My best friend's name Rishat. Flowers smell nice. Flowers smell nice. I can jump really high. I can jump really high. The cat chased the mouse. The cat chased the mouse. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. My mom cooks delicious food. My mom cooks delicious food. My dad drives a big car. My dad drives a big car. The moon is shining in the night sky. The moon is shining in the night sky. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. I can swim in the pool. I can swim in the pool. My favorite toy is a teddy bear. My favorite toy is a teddy bear. The butterfly has colorful wings. The butterfly has colorful wings. I like to sing songs. I like to sing songs. The elephant is the biggest animal. The elephant is the biggest animal. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I like to draw pictures. I like to draw pictures. The stars twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night. My school is very big. My school is very big. I can count to 10. I can count to 10. I enjoy playing with my toys. I enjoy playing with my toys. We go home today. We go home today. I like to dance to music. I like to dance to music. The rain makes the plants grow. The rain makes the plants grow. I have a green backpack. I have a green backpack. I want to be a firefighter. I want to be a firefighter. The monkey swings from tree to tree. The monkey swings from tree to tree. I like to eat ice cream. I like to eat ice cream. My favorite fruit is an apple. My favorite fruit is an apple. I like to ride my bike to school. I like to ride my bike to school. I like to play soccer with my friends. I like to play soccer with my friends. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast. I like to help my parents. I like to help my parents. The owl hoots at night. The owl hoots at night. I can write my name. I can write my name. My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer. The snake slithers on the ground. The snake slithers on the ground. I have a yellow pencil. I have a yellow pencil. I want to be an astronaut. I want to be an astronaut. I want to eat spaghetti. I want to eat spaghetti. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has a long neck. I like to watch cartoons on TV. I like to watch cartoons on TV. The fish swim in the water. The fish swim in the water. I like to play snowball fight in the winter. I like to play snowball fight in the winter. I enjoy playing hide and seek. I enjoy playing hide and seek. My favorite subject is math. My favorite subject is math. The bear lives in the forest. The bear lives in the forest. I like to eat sandwiches for lunch. I like to eat sandwiches for lunch. The bee buzzes around flowers. The bee buzzes around flowers. I can tie my shoelaces. I can tie my shoelaces. My grandma tells me stories. My grandma tells me stories. The lion roars loudly. The lion roars loudly. I like to play in the sandbox. I like to play in the sandbox. My favorite book is about dinosaurs. My favorite book is about dinosaurs. The rabbit hops in the garden. The rabbit hops in the garden. I want to learn how to play piano. I want to learn how to play piano. I have two best friends. I have two best friends. I like to help set the table for the dinner. I like to help set the table for the dinner. The duck swims in the pond. The duck swims in the pond. I like to play with my toy cars. I like to play with my toy cars. The fire truck has a loud siren. The fire truck has a loud siren. I can do somersaults. I can do somersaults. I want to visit the beach. I want to visit the beach.